Everyone, myself Ankita. Today we will be discussing about some important questions of basic electronics from the question bank. As previously we have discussed some important questions on basic electronics. So if you have not watched that video, you can go and check that video. So we will start from the first question. Our first question is the depletion layer of a PN junction is reduced when the junction is. You should remember that the depletion layer of PN junction is reduced in forward bias. In forward bias, it is reduced, and in reverse bias, it is increased. It is increased. So here answer will be in reverse in forward bias, because here is saying reduced, so answer will be forward bias. In second question, when a diode is reverse biased, it is equivalent to. When a diode is reverse biased, it is equivalent to an open switch, in which in open switch no any current flow through it. In reverse bias, no current flow through the circuit. Now in third question, a PN junction dynamic resistance is. In PN junction dynamic resistance is resistance is directly proportional to current. R is directly proportional to I. Here B option will be the correct answer. Now in fourth question, in a full wave bridge rectifier, the current in each diode flows for. In full wave bridge rectifier, current in each diode flows for half cycle of the input signal, but its opposite in full wave Santry type rectifier, the current in each diode flows for complete cycle of the input signal. But here it is asking for full wave bridge rectifier, the current in each diode flows for half cycle of the input signal. Now in fifth question, the ripple factor of half wave rectifier is. You should know that the ripple factor of half wave equals to 1.21, and ripple factor of full wave is 0.48. But here is asking for half wave, so 1.21 will be the answer. But you should know this also, that if ripple factor decreases, then efficiency increases. Both are inversely proportional. So now in sixth question, if the peak value of an applied voltage in a half wave rectifier is Vm, the peak inverse voltage of diode is. The peak inverse voltage will be equals to root 2 Vm. The peak inverse voltage of diode equals to then root 2 Vm. Now in sixth question, the use of capacitor filter in a rectifier circuit provides satisfactory performance only while. It provides satisfactory performance when the load current is low. Load current should be low. That's why capacitor filter must then provide satisfactory performance. Option C will be the correct answer. Now in eighth question, the relationship between alpha and current gain beta equals to. Alpha equals to beta by beta plus 1 will be the correct answer. This is the relationship between alpha and beta. Option A will be the correct answer. Now in ninth question, which of the following transistor configuration is least dependent on temperature? You should know that common collector is the transistor configuration which very least dependent on temperature, but its opposite common base is very dependent on temperature. So common collector is the transistor configuration which very less dependent on temperature. Now in 10th question, when the transistor operates in active region mode, it behaves as. When transistor is in active region mode, it acts as an amplifier. It amplifies the current. So C option will be the correct answer. Now moving towards the 11th question, CE configuration is preferred when main criterion is. When main criterion is both voltage and current gain. Here both voltage and current gain should be preferred. B option will be the correct answer. In 12th question, if the Q point is near saturation point, then the negative part of input signal is clipped at output. Q point should be near the saturation point. Option A will be the correct answer. The self-bias arrangement provides a better Q point stability. If RE is small, then it provides a self-bias arrangement. It provides a better Q point stability. If RE is small, RE should be small. In 14th question, dash amplifier circuit has highest voltage gain. You should know that CB amplifier, common base amplifier circuit, has highest voltage gain. Option B will be the correct answer. In 15th question, if the emitter bypass capacitor is removed from a CE amplifier circuit, dash is decreased significantly. Voltage gain will decrease significantly. Voltage gain will decrease when emitter bypass capacitor will removed. Now in 16th question, in a cascade amplifier, the intermediate stage is common emitter. The intermediate stage is common emitter. Transformer coupled amplifier provides options are impedance matching, maximum voltage gain, maximum current gain, large bandwidth. Here option E will be the correct answer. It provides the impedance matching. Now in 18th question, which stage of a DC power supply uses a Zener diode as the main component? Regulator is the device which uses the Zener diode as the main component. Zener as main component. Now in 19th question, why is an external pass resistor used in a voltage regulator? It is used for the improving the regulation. That's why the regulation of regulator should be well better. So external pass resistor is used in voltage regulator. Option D will be the correct answer. Now in 20th question 20, in a series regulated power supply circuit, the voltage gain AV of the pass transistor satisfies the condition. It satisfies the condition AY is approximately equals to 1. It should approximately equals to 1. It means nearer to 1. It means 0.98, 0.99 or 1.2 something, 1.101, etc. like this. So here 20 questions completed from the question bank of basic electronics. Hope you will like this video. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.